Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common kitchen challenge, dealing with those stubborn, stinky cooking smells that linger around. Whether you've cooked up a storm or accidentally burnt something, we've got you covered with some effective tips. First things first, proper ventilation is key. Open windows and turn on your range hood or exhaust fan to help dissipate odors. For a quick fix, try simmering a pot of water with citrus peels, cinnamon sticks, or cloves. This natural potpourri will infuse your kitchen with a pleasant aroma. Baking soda is your best friend. Place a bowl of it on the counter to absorb odors. You can also sprinkle it on carpets or upholstery before vacuuming. Vinegar works wonders. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water, and use it to wipe down surfaces like countertops, stovetops, and microwave interiors. Don't toss those used coffee grounds. Place them in a bowl in the fridge to neutralize any unwanted odors. Introducing indoor plants like aloe vera, snake plants, or peace lilies can help purify the air and reduce cooking odors. For persistent smells, try boiling a mixture of water and vinegar in a pot for a few minutes. The steam will help neutralize odors. Create your own DIY spray by mixing water, a few drops of essential oil, and a splash of rubbing alcohol. Spritz it around your kitchen for a refreshing scent. And there you have it, folks. No more battling those lingering cooking smells. With these easy and natural tips, your kitchen will be smelling fresh and inviting in no time. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found these tips helpful. Subscribe for more kitchen hacks and share your own odor-fighting tricks in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking and smelling!